This is a list of my videos on YouTube. And there's a thing that they set up earlier in the year called video sampling or sampling. I don't know what it is. I'll show it to you after I'm done with this thing. But the sampling, it allows people to sample your video. I don't understand the idea behind it, but people can go in there and sample some of your video or grab some of the video, or I don't know if it's copyright protected at that point. I have no idea what they were doing. They really didn't explain it that well. So I didn't like it, and what happens is when you post a video, you can go in there and uncheck everything by default. You were allowing everyone to sample that. I have no idea why YouTube did that. Instead of allowing you to opt in, everybody automatically was set up so that they were allowing people to sample their video. And you had to go in there and uncheck it. But you had to uncheck it after you did the upload. While it was doing the upload, you couldn't go in there. You had to wait till everything was completely uploaded and processed. Then I believe you could uncheck it. So what a nightmare. And I've got like 1,800 videos on here, and I really didn't want to go through all 1,800 and some videos, but I was getting ready to start doing that, and I found out that there's a way around that. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Hopefully it helps you out. It's going to help me out. Do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment. Come on, people. Nobody does that stuff anymore. Leave a donation in my PayPal. You know, all that cool stuff. Click on the affiliate links in the video description. You know how it is. We're begging. We're begging. All right, so get your list of videos on the screen. Now, what I'm going to do, I've got the list of videos here, but I'm going to show you what you do. I'm sure you're aware of this. This is at the bottom of the screen, the bottom right. You have an option over there to display 50 rows or 50 videos or 30 videos. If you do 30, it's going to take you forever. You may as well do 50 if your plan is to go in there and undo the sampling on everything. So I've got 50 over here in the bottom right-hand corner. Scroll all the way down. And once you do this the first time, you're not going to have to reset it while you're doing this process. But the rest of this is just a repetitive nightmare. And this is where it begins. So you see over here, they finally allowed you to do a bulk of this. So see up at the top where it says video. Click on video, and that's going to put a check mark in all of these boxes, all 50 of the videos on your screen. I'm going to do that right now. See? And then we get this black line that comes up over here. And what you're going to do with that black line is you're going to go click on the arrow down for edit. You're going to go down to Shorts Sampling. You're going to click that, and then you get this box over here, Allow Sampling or Don't Allow Sampling. So I'm going to click. This is so repetitive. You have to do this over and over. Don't allow sampling. Then you're going to have to move over to the right of the screen. Right of the screen, almost at the bottom of it, I mean almost at the bar over here where it says update. I'm trying to find my mouse. Update video. So you click that, and then you're going to have to go to this box that pops up, and you're going to have to click I understand, and then you click update videos, and then this thing starts. And for 50 videos, this is going to go for a while, maybe like a minute or so. And I want you to see what happens afterwards. So it's just such a hassle. I know there's the only way to get a list is 30 or 50. I don't know why. Maybe people who've got 5,000 videos, YouTube didn't want to blow out their servers by handling 5,000 updates at a time. So I can understand that, but they could have made this a little bit easier to do. Put in, well, programming, okay, I can understand why they're doing this. And you just have to sit there and wait for this to go on. And then after you get this thing done, you're going to have to do this over and over again. You're going to have to scroll down to the bottom, click on the right arrow, and I'm going to show you what's going to happen in a minute. We're down right now. We're right over here where we've got this arrow, the 50. And I'm pretty sure that when this thing finishes, it refreshes the screen and that goes away, and then you got to scroll down again. Okay, we just Do I have to scroll down again? That box just popped up over there that's at 50 completely done, or, okay, so luckily that didn't, I don't have to scroll again. So I go to the next one over here, right click, and then we start all over again. Wait for everything to refresh. Data is currently unavailable for some videos as a result. I don't know why that popped up. And then you just start all over again. You click on video, and then you wait for the thing. You pop an arrow down, short sampling, don't allow sampling, go to the right, click on the update, go over here. I understand, update videos, and it's going to take a while. If you only have a few videos, this will go fast. But if you're an awesome YouTuber like me, probably going to take you a whole night of wasted time to do this. But thankfully, they put this thing in here because I'm sure they got a ton of complaints. Before, for me, I'd have to go through 1,875 videos and update this thing. What a nightmare that would be. I think this video is going to help a lot of people. The problem is nobody's going to watch it, nobody's going to find it, nobody's going to do a thumbs up or a like or a share. What can you do?